How to connect Spotify to Alexa. Here we will tell you that how to connect Spotify to Alexa. You will just need an Alexa device, Alexa app on your mobile phone and the subscription of Spotify. First you need to download the Alexa app on your mobile phone from the App Store or Play Store. Then once it will get installed on your device, open the app and select the settings menu. Now you have to see the option for music and podcasts. It will be in the 5th position. You have to tap on this option and after that new tab will open. In the new tab select the link new service option. After selecting that option, you will get the Spotify option. Choose Spotify. When you will choose Spotify then you have to tap on enable option. Now you will be asked to log into your Spotify account, just log in there, then you will get the option to complete the linking the Spotify to Alexa, just complete it there. Now by linking it you can play any songs just by giving voice command to Alexa.